If you want to add a background to your text on Canva, let me show you how. So the first thing you want to do after you open up a blank canvas is to hit the text box, and you're going to type whatever you want in that box. So for the sake of this tutorial, I just type love you in the box. The next thing you're going to do is stretch your text box out across the canvas to make it as big as possible. The next thing you're going to do is pick your style of letters. So we're going to change the font. I highly recommend a bold font for doing this because you want as much detail of the pattern in your letters as possible. And so now we're going to save this so that you can export it as a PNG file with a transparent background. Make sure you check that transparent background box. You're going to see why in just a minute. Once it's saved, you can go ahead and delete the text from the canvas because we're going to bring it back in as an upload. The next thing you want to do is hit the element tab and go ahead and search for whatever background you want to use inside of your letters. So for this one, I'm going to choose money. You can do whatever you want to do. And so now we're going to stretch the image that we want to use as a background so it's as big as possible. And then you want to go and find your clipping mask tool. So you would go ahead and hit apps. Because I already have it on my computer, I'm just going to go ahead and click it from the list of apps I already have installed. It's going to allow you to either do text, shapes, or images. What we want to do is bring in the image that we saved. If you remember the text that we saved earlier as a PNG, you're going to import that from this app. So you hit upload file, bring it back in. It's going to automatically place it on top of the background image you've chosen. When it brings it in, it's going to be very small, so you're going to have to stretch it and resize it and then place it over the part of the pattern that you want to show inside of the letters, and boom, you're going to hit add to design. If you don't see it when it comes in, no worries, just move it. It's there. Stretch it out and you can save it. You can either go ahead and start designing just like this